Okay, close it up.
Close it up. Calling Mom and Dad.
Mommy.
Dad.
I don't know if they can hear you.
Dad, come on.
Say Mommy.
Mommy, let's go. I'm hiding. Find me.
I don't think they can hear you, kid. You're coming home with me. You're coming home with me, I think.
I think I need to call my mom and dad to see if they find me. I'm okay.
Say Mommy.
Mommy. Hey, Daddy. Call my mom. Call me my daddy. And my mom. Come on. Find me.
I think you're coming with me. I'm going to zip you up.
No. No.
No?
No, don't zip it up.
Okay.
That's better. I don't know what's this is my machine.
What? No, that's not a machine.
Yes, it is. They have press buttons on it.
No, it doesn't.
Please don't zip me up, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to be right back to get my machine. Bye. Go to the elevator. See, I'm going to come back here, okay? Bye.
Bye. Alright, say Mommy. I think she can hear you.
Where am
Say Mommy. Say, where am I?
I? No.
You're on Planet Dodo.
What? This one can hear. Okay.
Alright, where are you going next?
I'm back into outer space.
You're back in outer space?
Yep, I'm back to Earth.
To Earth?
I think this is not Earth.
Oh, Greg's coming. Hide. Wait, he's not coming yet. Wait, he's not coming yet. He's still in the bathroom. He's still in the bathroom.
Can you close that door and can see me, okay?
Okay, I'll close it.
Okay.
Stay in there. Stay in there.
No.
Okay, get in. Get in.
Okay.
Get in.
Oh no.
Get down. Get down. Shh. Shh. Stay. Stay.
Oh.
Get in. Shh. He's coming. He's coming. Shh, don't make a sound. Come in. Shh, 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 shh. Get down.
What's he doing in there? Come on, buddy. We gotta get bagels on board.
Jacob, stop it. I'm not taking it. Jacob, you didn't say anything. You're supposed to scare them. He's coming with me, he said. Stop, I'm not taking it. All right, say bye.
Bye.